What is going on, guys? Back in the kitchen once again. It's your boy Chef T-Paul, and we are going to a country of my favorite origin when it comes to food. We're going to Italy, baby. So we have some Serrano ham linguine pasta with butternut squash and some tender stem broccoli. It's gonna be delicious. Right, can't wait for this one. But you know what we do? Smash that like button, you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell, and then you partake in step one. Today, we're going for a little twist on step one. We have a can, not a bowl. Crack it and crack on. Step one, baby.
Okay, so you want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees C. Trim your butternut squash and half lengthways. Scoop out the seeds. You can peel the butternut squash first if you prefer to, because the outer skin can be quite hard. Then you want to chop it lengthways into 1 centimeter slices and then chop it into 1 centimeter chunks, just roughly, but try and keep them uniform so they cook the same. Add these to a bowl, then drizzle with oil and salt and pepper, and then give them a good shake up. And you want to transfer that onto a foil lined oven tray, and you're going to roast these for 25 to 30 minutes till they're nice and golden brown, and you will check on them about halfway through. Now prepare your water for your linguine. So just a large saucepan, fill it with water and bring to the boil. While you're waiting for that to boil, you can concentrate on prepping your veg. So you want to peel and half an onion and then roughly chop it. Chop half of the stems off the tender stem broccoli, and then finely chop 1 clove of garlic, or use a garlic press if you have one. Moving on to the Serrano ham, you want to take this from the packet and just using your hands tear it into large chunks and put it in a bowl. The pasta water should be boiling by now, so you want to drop in your linguine, cook for about 12 minutes. When you're ready to drain, keep about 150 ml of the pasta water to use for your sauce later on, and then just drizzle some oil over the pasta to stop it sticking together. Now you want to check your butternut squash in the oven, get it out, turn it all over, make sure it's not sticking to the oven dish, pop it back in and cook for the remainder of the time. Then we're going to move on to cooking the ham. And for the ham, you just want to heat up a pan with some oil, drop in your Serrano ham, and you want to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and you'll see a distinct color change in the meat. It'll go like a nice dark brown, and then you want to put that onto a plate and set aside for use later. Right, using the same pan that you cook the Serrano ham in, add a bit more oil if you need to. You want to fry off your onions until they're nice and soft, about 5 minutes. Then you want to add your tender stem broccoli and a splash of water, and you will stir fry this for about 3 minutes or so till the broccoli has become a little softer. Okay, to prepare the base for your sauce, it is the water you saved from your pasta dish and a little bit of chicken stock. That's going to go in after you've fried off the garlic with the onions and broccoli. You want to just fry the garlic for a minute or two so it's nice and soft, and then add your beautiful stock. So let your stock simmer for a couple of minutes, and then it's time to add the creme fraiche. This is going to give it that wonderful creamy texture. Once that's done, bring that to the boil and add your Serrano ham. Give it all a good mix around and continue to bring to the boil until the sauce is nice and thickened. And once your sauce has thickened up, it's time to remove your butternut squash from the oven. Pour that into the mixture and add your linguine to it. Give it all a good stir around, and then it is that time where we plate up. Okay, so I made a little mess while plating up, but the dish ends up looking really good. And I must say, this one is scoring very high. I love pasta anyway, but this one is getting a 9 from me. Really tasty dish. Highly recommend this one. We'll definitely be having this one again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.